Hello, history lovers and music aficionados. December 20th is a day filled with monumental purchases, musical premieres, political turning points, and groundbreaking achievements. We begin in 1803, when the United States officially took possession of the Louisiana Territory from France. This massive land deal, known as the Louisiana Purchase, effectively doubled the size of the young nation and paved the way for westward expansion. It opened vast new territories for exploration, settlement, and development, profoundly shaping the country's future. Next, we move to 1808, when Ludwig van Beethoven premiered his Symphony No. 5 in Vienna. Despite the freezing cold of the unheated theatre, Beethoven's powerful and emotive symphony captivated the audience with its iconic four-note motif. Over 2 centuries later, this masterpiece continues to inspire and move listeners around the world, solidifying Beethoven's place as one of the greatest composers in history. Now let's travel to 1860, when South Carolina made the fateful decision to secede from the Union, becoming the first state to do so. This bold move set the stage for the American Civil War, a conflict that would reshape the nation and lead to the end of slavery. While a difficult and turbulent chapter, it was a necessary step toward the realization of a more just and unified country. Fast forward to 1951, when the world witnessed a historic technological breakthrough as electricity was generated by a nuclear reactor for the very first time. At the experimental Breeder Reactor 1 in Idaho, scientists harnessed atomic energy to produce electricity, marking the beginning of the nuclear power era. This moment showcased the potential of nuclear technology for peaceful purposes and laid the groundwork for the development of modern nuclear power plants. Finally, in 1987, the curtain rose on Les Misérables on Broadway, bringing Victor Hugo's epic tale of love, struggle, and redemption to life in a powerful musical production. Les Misérables quickly became a global phenomenon, touching the hearts of audiences with its unforgettable characters and soaring melodies. Today, it remains one of the most beloved and enduring musicals in theatre history. From monumental land deals and musical masterpieces to political turning points and technological triumphs, December 20th is a day that celebrates human ingenuity, resilience, and the power of the arts. Be sure to subscribe for tomorrow's look back in time. Reporting for Sketchy News. Be polite, be happy, be kind. Thanks for watching.